Good morning, good afternoon, good night, whatever it may be for you folks. Thanks for clicking on the video. We're back at it with another van build edition. Today we are doing the flooring. Normally when you look on other van lifers' flooring builds, you see that they already had a pre-cut out template that came custom factory with their vehicle. Unfortunately, with my van, it was already empty, so I had to make the measurements of the subfloor out of scratch. I would recommend, if you don't have a template like I did, that you should really take your time and figure out a way how you can get those cuts as precise as possible. I was just kind of rolling through, and for me, a couple corners here, a couple corners there, it's all good, so I threw it down. So I've seen people do this quite a few different ways, but I couldn't get all the boards down super flush. I mean, obviously people use 2 to 3 pieces of wood, but as you can see, for me, it's going to be 1, 2, 3. It's going to be 4 different pieces of wood. So hopefully that doesn't make it harder to put on the flooring. This is my buddy Carrington right here. He is a master level 100, level 1000. All right, so he was just basically helping me fill some of these holes and spot welding them, so I didn't have to go through with great stuff everywhere. Much more reliable, if you ask me, but the great stuff still does work. So thank you, Carrie.
Probably just still solid.
Probably,
thing, but
well, you could probably just come from right here and I'll hold it that way with that guy right now.
I'd rather have more support. They're on at least something.
Over there, yeah. Probably further up though.
No. It's okay that it's on the table, but it just needs to be.
Alright, so we got done with all the custom cut pieces for the corners and whatnot. Probably could have got a little saucy there, but didn't. Looks pretty good. So just letting the stuff way down so the adhesions can kick in, and then I'm going to be taking the rest of the wood that I'm in 2x4s to build the bed with and all my stuff, and head back to Colorado Springs. Finish the work at David's place, and then head back to Arizona, because I've been here for quite a bit. It's almost 2 weeks now, so let's ride. That's a wrap, everyone. Thanks for watching. If you got any hints or tips, obviously I'm not a Bob the Builder type, but I'm having a really good time, building this custom van. That's it for the floors. The next thing we've got is the walls, so check out the next video. Peace.